Well, Jason, nice to be home during the holidays, and boy, you guys have some tough matchups already and coming ahead. How much does it help your confidence to beat a team of the quality of the Rangers the way you did tonight?
Yeah, I think we're playing well. We're defending well. Our power play is clicking right now, and it's obviously led to us scoring more goals, and we've been getting good goaltending all year, so I think overall tonight was a great effort by everyone.
You mentioned the power play is clicking. 5 power play goals in your last 2 games. What's working so well? Because it looks like everything's clicking from the back end all the way through to the offensive zone.
Yeah, we're moving the puck quick. A couple on the rush, one on the rush today, one from a setup. But I think the main thing is getting in the zone, getting it set up, and we know our outs from there. And I think we've been moving around pretty good and snapping it around and finding ways to put some in. So it's been nice.
You got that 2-0 lead. The crowd was jumping. They were into the game, and all of a sudden the Rangers answer, make it 2-1. How did you get into the locker room and get back on the horse in the third period and get this crowd rocking and really separate yourself from the Rangers?
Yeah, it was good. Obviously, you didn't want to give one up late, but I thought we stuck with it, found a way. I think we got good leadership in the room, and I mean, we added a guy like Stolze, who's been around. Pretty vocal guy, so it's nice to have another presence like that in the room, and kept everyone calm, and we moved on from there.
This is a part of 4 games and 6 nights. How nice is it to have Darcy Kemper playing so well, and now get Devin Dubnyk back in the goal?
Yeah, I mean, we have guys that can come in and play well for us, so it's nice to have those two, and obviously Backy's there as well. So I mean, it's been good. They're making saves. They're finding ways to keep us in games, and we've been finding ways to win. So it's been nice.
Congrats on the goal you scored and the power play success you're having right now. Well done.
All right, thank you.